Hello, my beautiful train wrecks. This is Jill from Diamond Painting with the Edwards, and I got something I desperately needed. I could not go on and do the what is it called? I always mess it up. Passionate in Purple 24. That's a hashtag. I could not do this event until I got what was inside this box. And I got this on Saturday, but this has been a very busy weekend. So I haven't been able to open it until today. So let's open it. Tom already cut the box open for me. So here we go. The paper out of here because we don't need it. And get this out. Yes, it is storage. I needed storage, but this storage, I seen Kat. Let me write this down so I can give her a shout. Kat Diamond Painting got this, and I'm like, oh, we need this too because we needed more storage anyway. So this is exciting. I cannot wait to open it up. Let's go. I'm doing a bunch of filming today. You're gonna see, this is the 6th, and you're gonna see kind of a late video. It's a couple hours. But yesterday I was too tired to load up anything. Look at this. Yes. This is, got this on Amazon. It is a Pro K65 slot seed storage. You have a 1 ounce, a normal 1 ounce. I'm not mathing right today. Okay, yeah, I did math right. 45 1 ounce bottles. These look like the same bottles that are in most. 12 3 ounce bottles. And Kat did show that it does store a little bit more. So it is helpful for those mid-size bags. And then 8 5 ounce. So when you have your big projects, yes. I was fascinated. I looked at Tom and I said, must have. So yes, we got. So what does it come with? It comes with stickers. Oh, and these are even bigger. Okay, I'm digging that. Wow. Okay, so you have your big stickers, medium stickers, and then small stickers. That is fabulous. I will be using those because I will be kitting up the purple butterfly with purple eyed lady. It didn't have a name. I'm just going with it. And then of course funnel and a pair of plastic tweezers. I usually don't use these funnels unless I know it's something like I really need. I'm having a bad shape day. There's the tweezers. They're not very sharp, but hey, if you need a tweezer, these will work. So yes, there's a tweezer and a funnel. If I can even get the funnel open. Come on. Gotta be smarter than the package. Gotta be smarter than the package. Can I be smarter than the package? Yes! I can be smarter than the package. So yeah, it's just a collapsible funnel. Yes. Collapsible funnel. We've got a few. I just don't really use them that much. I like the chaos of diamonds everywhere. So yeah, there's those. A lot of plasticky stuff. Throwing it away. So yes, this was $29.99. Yeah. I think it's awesome. Can't wait to get up. Gonna do that next. So this is going to be a very, very short video because I can't wait. So, yeah, you just seen a little bit of my face. Hi. Yeah. So I'm going to end it here so I can get started on kitting it up. So with that, love you guys. Hugs, kisses, and so thankful that you're here. Bye.